Good morning.
My name is Schardt. I represent Shannon Stiller. Sounds like you responded to the Green Store on September 13th, 2015, correct?
Correct.
And the Green Store is located on Glen Street, a couple hundred yards from McGovern Street, correct?
Correct.
Now, you spoke to some witnesses about these shots fired, and you learned that it was a car that drove by, and someone had shot at a Shannon, correct?
Shannon needs to mic up.
Correct.
I mean,
Shannon
Schardt.
did not, from your understanding, Shannon did not do anything except get shot at, correct?
I don't recall. Sorry.
Well, does your report indicate that Shannon had done anything other than get shot at?
Nope.
So, did you look for witnesses?
Yeah.
And you spoke to a Miss Arnold, correct?
Correct.
You also, and this Green Store is also known as Mommy's Neighborhood Grocery, is that correct?
Sorry, I don't remember.
Could you look at the pictures of that Green Store? Is there a sign, is there signage that indicates the name of the store?
Finally,
It says, well, it's
he heard you
partially
chat.
busted out, but neighborhood grocery, I assume, is what it says.
Okay.
322 Glen Street.
All right, great. And did you, after speaking to Miss Arnold, did you for surveillance video at this Green Store?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And why did you look for surveillance video?
I assume it would just be standard procedure to gather as much evidence as possible.
Okay. Surveillance video doesn't lie, does it?
No, sir.
All right. You thought it was very important as part of your investigation into this incident to obtain that surveillance video, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you spoke to a Maricelis Ayuso, is that correct?
Kind of a memorable name.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know her as Mommy?
No.
Okay, but she was the owner of the store?
Yes.
Okay. And you asked her if they had surveillance video, correct?
Yes.
She, in fact, showed you the surveillance video of this incident, correct?
Yes.
The surveillance video was working on 9/13/2015, correct?
Correct.
It was available, correct?
Yes.
Miss Ayuso was cooperative with you, correct? She didn't make you go get a search warrant or go through any legal process. She showed you the video, correct?
That's correct.
And you watched the video.
I assume so.
Well, in your report, do you describe the video?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you wouldn't have described what was on the video if you didn't watch it, would you?
Probably not.
Okay. And while you don't know anyone's name from the video, you don't know anyone's name from the video, you confirmed that there was a man that appeared to be getting shot at that ran away from the scene.
Mm-hmm.
And you weren't sure if that person was shot or not.
Correct.
Did it appear to you that people were shooting at him? From reviewing the video, did it appear that people were shooting at him?
Yeah, overruled.
Panic, panic.
The video footage. The video footage led me to believe at the time that Shannon was the intended target.
Okay. And the video footage, it didn't show Shannon committing any crimes.
No.
Okay. It didn't show Shannon shooting any weapons.
Mm-mm.
That's a no for the record?
Yes. No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. I don't have any further questions.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? Vince? No. Any redirect?
Launching out of her seat.
You were just asked about the surveillance video. Do you know, sitting here today, how long that store had surveillance video footage?
No.
Do you know, sitting here today, how long that camera kept surveillance video footage?
No, ma'am.
Do you know if the Green Store had surveillance footage back in January of 2015?
I don't think so. I'm not sure.
You're not sure.
I'm not sure.
Thank you. No further questions.
All right. Okay.
Come back up, Schardt.
Do you have any recollection of visiting the Green Store in January of 2015?
I actually do. The pictures kind of jog my memory. I just remember there being a shooting there, and I remember roping off some crime scene tape and going around asking questions to people. It was, 9 years ago, I believe.
Who was the target of that shooting? Do you have that report with you?
Which report are you referring to?
This thing 9 years ago, January 2015.
Well, I mean, they were both a long time ago, I guess. I mean,
But do you have a report from January 2015 with you?
yeah, there's one report I have from January.
Could I see it?
Sure.
Love hitting the mic. Look at Love.
And there's another report from September of 2015.
Okay. This report from January 2015 is at 807 Pryor Street, correct? It says, I, Officer McGovern, was dispatched to a shooting call at 807 Pryor Street.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's not the Green Store.
No.
Okay.
They were both 9 years ago. I'm just saying it was a long time ago. That's all I'm saying.
I understand it's a long time ago, but you're not this. I visited a location in January 2015. As you're recalling, you're just referring to this document that the DA's office gave you, correct?
Yeah, that's my police report.
Okay, and but you visiting 807 Pryor Street, not the Green Store.
No, the Green Store was this one.
Right. And that was September 13th, 2015, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so I'm asking, just to clear this up, do you have any recollection you don't have any recollection of visiting the Green Store in January 2015? You're referring to Pryor Street.
No, I have a recollection of visiting the Green Store for a shooting, whatever month or date it was. I don't recall.
Okay, so you have no idea as a police officer, you visited the Green Store before, other than September 13th, 2015.
Well, I remember more than just visiting. I mean, we visited it quite frequently, but I remember that particular store had gotten shot up, and I remember roping off some crime scene tape and interviewing some people.
Okay, all right. I'm going back to September 13th, 2015.
Mhm.
When you sought out the surveillance and obtained the surveillance, you thought it was important enough to put that information in your report, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you did put it in your report, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. May I approach you?
You may.
Thank you.